Hello, hiya, and yoo-hoo, everybody. Let's watch the Happily Ever After fireworks from my balcony at the Contemporary.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in. Watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. And the story comes alive when we move the new adventure. Very eyes, very night. It's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat faster. Reach out and find it. Enjoy happily ever after. Evening star is shining bright, so make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen. They're strolling by the sand, taste the morning out there, like ordinary men who freely walk about there. Just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share of resent, of despair. All that best, I don't care. I'll spend one day out there. story takes hold of my own dream. Be strong as the seas are stormy, and loud as an eagle's scream. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. Chase the wind, chase the wind, and touch the sky. Turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding. No one knows how deep it goes, and it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? The light, the sky, the sea, it calls me, and no one knows where it goes. If the wind I sail on the sea seas behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
Trust me, having a best friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
That's what friends are had a friend like me.
Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to
It's like the fog is lifted,
And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that I see.
Flower that blooms and dresses is the most rare and beautiful of all. Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where heroes would be waiting for me.
where the crowds would cheer when they see my face.
And the voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be.
And so our journey comes to an end. But yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory. We changed by the way we live that we did. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly. You can fly. You can fly.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.